Here after now next problem is find the coefficient of x power 15 in f of x is equal to x square plus x cube plus x power 4 and so on whole to the power of 4. Now here given that f of x is equal to x square plus x cube plus x power 4 whole to the power of 4. Here we are taking x square as a common term. Why we are taking x square as a common term? That means we are converting the given function, given x equation into the standard forms. What is the standard form? 1 plus something and 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and so on, right? That's why we are taking x square as a common element here. If you take common, you will get 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power of 4. Now we are ab whole to the power of 4 can be written as a power 4 into b power 4. Similarly, x square whole power 4 means x power 8 into this expression 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power of 4. Now what is our aim here? Our aim is to find the x to the power of 15 coefficient, right? Now here f of x is equal to x power 8, that expression 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power of 4 can be written as 1 by 1 minus x, because here this 1 plus x square plus x cube can be written as 1 by 1 minus x. This is the expansion formula. Now this value is equal to 1 by 1 minus x whole to the power of 4 is there. That's why I wrote 1 minus x whole to the power of 4. Now here f of x is equal to x to the power of 8 into 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4. We are transporting this term to the numerator. Therefore this power becomes minus, right? Minus 4. Now our aim is to find the coefficient of x to the power of 15 in f of x, but here f of x is product of two functions, right? Here coefficient of x power 15 in f of x is nothing but coefficient of x power 8 into coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion, right? If you expand this one, 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 7, there is one term whose term is x power 7, whose power is x power 7. If you multiply that x power 7 into x power 8, you will get x power 15. We have to find the coefficient of that term. That means x to the power of 15. Now we are finding the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion, right? Now this is 1 minus x whole power minus 4. No, we know that the general term is nothing but minus 4cr minus x to the power of r. Similarly, the coefficient of x power 7 is nothing but minus 4c7 minus 1 to the power of 7. Now minus this expansion is minus 1 to the power of this 7, you will get 4 plus 7 minus 1 7 into this term, right? Minus 1 to the power of 7. Now here minus minus becomes plus. This is 10c7. 10c7 means 10 into 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 2 into 10 minus 3 into 10 minus 4 into 10 minus 5 into 10 minus 6, right? Now here 7 factorial means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you simplify this one, you will get 120. Therefore the coefficient of x power 15 is nothing but what? This coefficient of x power 8 is 1, no? Into what is the coefficient of x power 7 here? 120. Therefore 1 into 120, that is equal to 120. This is the coefficient of x power 15 in the given function f of x, right? The next problem, find the coefficient of x power 4 in this expansion, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 and so on, right? See, now the given function f of x is equal to x plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 whole to the power of 2. Now we are taking x as a common element. That means x into 1 plus x square plus x cube whole square, right? Now here f of x is equal to, again we are applying a into b whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m, right? Now x square into this expression square, f of x is equal to x square into this can be written as 1 by 1 minus x whole power 2 is there, right? Therefore x square into 1 by 1 minus x whole square, right? Now again f of x is equal to x square into 1 minus x to the power of minus 2, because we are transporting the denominator term in denominator to numerator. Now here the coefficient of x power 4 we want in f of x. This is nothing but the coefficient of x square here into the coefficient of x square in 1 minus x to the power of minus 2. Now the coefficient of x power 2 in the expansion of 1 minus x whole power minus 2 is minus 2c2 minus 1 to the power of 2, right? This formula, right? This formula is minus 1 whole square 2 plus 2 minus 1 2, right, into minus 1 to the power of 2. If you simplify this one, minus into minus becomes plus, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3c2. This is 3c2. 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 into 1. If you simplify this one, you will get 3. Now we have to find the coefficient of x power 4 in f of x. No, the coefficient of x power 4 in f of x is nothing but the coefficient of x square into the coefficient of x square in this expansion. Now the coefficient of x square is 1 here into the coefficient of x square in this expansion is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Therefore the coefficient of x to the power of 4 in f of x is equal to 3. Next problem. In how many ways can a police captain distribute 24 rifle shells to 4 police officers so that each officer gets at least 3 shells but not more than 8? Now here number of rifle shells is equal to 24, number of police officers is equal to 4, right? Now the choice for number of shells for each officer receives what? Either 3, at least 3. 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, maximum 8. That means it can be written as x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6 plus x power 7 plus x power 8. This is therefore the generating function. Then generating function f of x is equal to x cube plus x power 4 plus so on x power 8. How many times? There are 4 policemen are there, no? Therefore this expression 4 times you have to write. That means you will get power to the power of 4. Now we need to find how many rifles are there? 24 rifle shells are there, right? The coefficient of x power 24 in this expansion we have to find. See, now f of x is equal to x cube plus x square x to the power of 4 plus so on x to the power of 8 to power 4. Here f of x is equal to, we are taking x cube as a common element. Now 1 plus x square so on plus x to the power of 5 we will get. Here the last term is x to the power of 8. We are taking x cube as a common element. Therefore the last term will be x to the power of 5 only, whole to the power of 4 as it is. Again ab whole to the power of m can be written as a power m into b power m. Now x cube whole power 4 is nothing but x power 12 into 1 plus x square plus so on x power 5 in power 4. Now f of x is equal to x power 12 by, this is nothing but 1 minus x to the power of 6 divided by 1 minus x. This is the formula. Whole power 4 is there. Now whole power 4 as it is. F of x is equal to x power 12 into 1 minus x power 6 whole to the power of 4 into 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4. Minus 4 means this denominator term we are transporting into the numerator. That's why we are getting the negative sign. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to find the coefficient of x to the power of 24 in f of x. Now this is entire f of x. No, the coefficient of x to the power of 24 is nothing but the coefficient of x power 12 into the coefficient of x power 12 in this entire expression, right? The coefficient of x power 12 into coefficient of x power 12 in this expansion, right? Now here we are expanding this one, 1 minus x power 6 whole power 4 into 1 minus x whole power minus 4. We are expanding this one. Here this is nothing but 4c0 this one, that is nothing but 1, 4c1 to the x to the power of 0 plus 4c2 x to the power of 12, that means x to the power of 6 whole square is 12 minus 4c3 x to the power of 6 whole cube, that is 18 plus 4c4 x to the power of 6 whole to the power of 4, that is 24, right? By up ఇక్కడ దాకా ఎందుకు స్టాప్ చేస్తాం, because here n value is 4, that means coefficients are nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3. No, here 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, 4c4 only. Similarly, this bracket close, no, c into another expansion, 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 4 expansion. Here that is minus 4c0 plus minus 4c1 into minus x plus minus 4c2 into minus x whole square plus minus 4c3 into minus x whole cube plus so on, right? Here this negative power is negative, that's why you are getting infinite number of terms over here. Now we have to find the coefficient of x power 12. Now what are the possibilities? Here this constant term into in the second expression x power 12 will be there, right? That this one into x power 12, that combination I am writing 1 into here the coefficient of x power 12 in the second expression is minus 4c12 minus 1 to the power of 12 plus here see this one in this first expression second term is this one, this term into e second expansion low x power 6 term will be there. If you multiply these two again you will get x to the power of 12, right? Now this one minus 4c1 into here in this expansion x power 6 coefficient is what, minus 4c6 minus 1 power 6, right? Plus now again here x to the power of 12 into here in this expansion constant term. What is the constant? Here it is the constant, right? That means 4c2 into constant is minus 4c0, that is value is 1. Okay, now we are simplifying this one, minus 4c12 minus 1 to the power of 12 is plus only. Here 4c1, this is 4c1, right? 4c1 into this one is minus 4c6, next one plus 4c2 into 1 is 4c2. Now we are applying this formula, minus 4c12 is equal to what I have written actually here, minus 1 to the power of 12 is positive only, 4 plus 12 minus 1 c12, that is 4 plus 12 is 16 minus 1 is 15c12. Here 4c1 is 4 only. Now minus 4c6 can be written as 4 plus 6 minus 1 6, right? Into minus 1 to the power of 6, that is positive only. 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 1 is 9, 9c6. Remaining one is 4c2. Here if you simplify this one you will get 455 minus this is 336 plus 4c2 value is 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. If you simplify that one you will get 6. Therefore it is equal to 125, right? Now here the coefficient of x power 24 is equal to the coefficient of x power 12 into the coefficient of x power 12 in the expansion, right? 1 into 125 is equal to 125, right? In 125 ways the police captain can distribute 24 rifle shells to the 4 policemen such that each get at least 3 and at most 8.